Hello, beautiful. My name is Sharon Kelly, and welcome to my channel, Super Aging. Please like, subscribe, leave me a comment, tell your friends. Today, we've got a great workout coming up. We're working with a plank series, working our hips, we're working our side waist, and we're going to finish with some posture work. Are you ready to start? Let's do this. Come down, roll down onto your back, and you won't need any equipment today. Just bring your arms around over your head. Just going to start warming up the spine. Soften your feet into the floor, press your lower back into the floor, and just roll yourself up one vertebrae at a time, standing on your feet at the top, and then roll down. 2 more. The last one. Just place your hands behind your head. We'll start with bridge, but we're going to add crunches. So let's just start lifting the hips up, squeeze the glutes, tap the tailbone and lower. Keep your knees stable. Press your feet evenly into the floor. Relax your toes. Let's do 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. We're going to add the crunches into this. Breathe in. As we breathe out, we go into our crunch. Lift the hips into your bridge. Crunch up, feel your abdominals engage. Bridge. Let's do about 5 sets, shall we? 4, 3, 2, last set. Bring your knees into your chest and just let your head go from side to side, just stretching your lower back, releasing the lower back, and just letting any tension go in your neck. We're going to go into 4-point kneelings. Roll yourself up, scoot back. This should be fun. What we're doing is a baby plank with this opposite arm and leg stretch. We'll bring the knees down before we do the opposite arm and leg stretch. Spread your fingers, draw the shoulders away from your ears. Lift your knees. Contract your abdominals. Shoulders are drawing down towards your hips. Lower your knees, right arm, left leg. Stretch the arm, stretch the leg, lift the arm, lift the leg, hold, lower, back into your baby plank. Now just watch with your baby plank, you're not lifting your knees up too high. Keep them very close to the floor. Lower your knees, left arm, right leg this time. Keeping your neck nice and long. Lower the arm and leg. Let's go back into baby plank. Right arm, left leg. Baby plank. Lower the knees, left arm, right leg. Lift the arm and leg fairly high. Stretch the leg away. Lower. Baby plank. How are we going? Where's your knees? Are they close to the mat or are they all the way up here? Lower, right arm, left leg. Keeping your body weight centered. Back into your baby plank. Are we having fun yet? Lower, left arm, right leg. We've got one more baby plank and then we'll move on. Lower the arm and the leg. Finish strong with a baby plank. And then come into a child's pose. Push your hands away. Tailbone is pushing back behind you. Okay, I think the easiest way to do the next exercise is do it with me and we'll work together. I'm sure you're not going to like it, but you'll enjoy it. That doesn't make sense, does it? So we're basically going to start with a negative push-up. So bring your arms just outside your shoulders, come up into a plank position. Okay, now lower yourself down until you can't lower anymore. Gently put your knees on the mat. Keep lowering yourself to the floor slowly. Good job. Bring your arms out to goalpost arms. Lift the chest. Lift your arms up. Squeeze the shoulder blades together. Keep the chin towards your chest. Good. Bring your hands down. Push yourself back into a child's pose. Let's do 5. Up into the plank. Go down as low as you can. When you need to, bring the knees down. All the way down. Goalpost arms. Lift the chest, draw the shoulders together. Push yourself back. 4 to go. I'm sure this workout will get better after this. Slowly down. Ah, 3 more. 3 more opportunities to get stronger. How far are you getting to the floor before your knees come down? Push back. 2 more sets. Stay strong. You've got this, guys. Come on, work for it. Slow. Abdominals are contracted. Knees come down when you need them to come down. Lift the arms. Draw the shoulder blades together. Push yourself back. Last set, best set. I hope. Let's do this. Listen to me grunting. Slowly, slowly, slowly. Knees come down. Let's go slower, slower, slower. Goalpost arms. Lift the arms up. Feel the shoulder blades connect. Use your hands. Push yourself back. And well done. Good job. I know that was tough. But that's the hardest part of the workout. If you believe me. We're going into sideline here. What we want to do is bring the bottom leg into a 90-degree angle. Either come right down to the floor if that feels better for you today. I'm going to work here, and if you're feeling really strong, you might want to work up here. I've only just got back from holiday, so I'm going to take an easier option today. First thing we're going to do is lift the top leg. Make sure your shoulders and hips are stacked. Keep one long line, ears, shoulders, hips and heel. So let's just start with extending the leg. So a little bend to the knee, stretch the leg, squeeze the glute. Press the bottom leg down into the floor. So it's just bend, stretch. Let's do 8, 7, 6, The work is coming from your glutes. Feel your abdominals engage when you stretch the leg away from you. 2 more. 1. Okay, we're going to add on. We're going to keep the side of the foot parallel to the ceiling and the floor. Lower the side of the foot to the floor. Keep lengthening the leg. Lift, bend, stretch. Lower, lift, bend, stretch. Let's do 10 and 9. Good work. 8, 7, 6. Every time you bend and stretch, contract your abs. 4. Oh, missed it there. 2 more. And last one. Good job, guys. Little change. We're going to start with the side of the foot on the floor. Keep the leg very straight. Lift it up. Bring the knee to the chest. Push the foot away. Lower. Lift, bend, stretch. Lower. Let's do 10. 9. 8. Remember, we're using our abdominals. 7. 6. 5. Can you feel the glutes? 4. 3. Good work. 2. And 1. Well done. Point your toes. From the glutes, we're doing 6 circles forwards and 6 circles backwards. Tiny circles. 3 more. Leg is long. And 1. Let's reverse. 3, 2, 1. Well done. Quick stretch. Let's do the other side. Sitting up nice and tall. Go into your rotation. Good job, guys. Let's repeat that on this side. Align your posture. So let's start with keeping the foot parallel to the floor, the hips stacked, shoulders stacked. Remember to work your abs. A little bend to the knee, stretch the leg. Bend and stretch. You've got 10, 9, 8. Push the foot away so you feel the glute squeeze. 5, 4, 3, 2 more. 1. Good job. Lower the foot so the side of the foot is parallel on the floor. Lift, bend, stretch. Lower. Lift, bend the knee, stretch the leg. Let's do 10. Good job. 9. The work is as we stretch the leg. Can you feel that? Okay, 6, 5, 4, 3, I mucked up 2, the last one. Excellent. Lower the leg, lift the leg, bend the knee so it's in line with your hip, stretch the leg and lower. Lift, bend, stretch, lower. Let's do 10. Do you feel like your leg's getting longer? 8, 7, 6, 5. Good job, guys. 4, 3, 2. Last one. Lower. Okay, point the toe. We're going into the circles. Using the glutes. Little circles. Here we come. 3 more. 2 and 1. Let's reverse. And last one. Good job. Let's stretch that I don't think I stretched the other side. We'll do both sides. Nice stretch, release the work. Try not to use your hands, swap sides. We're going to come into a mermaid position. And I want you to be fairly comfortable with your legs. I don't want you to hurt your hips or anything here. With the knee that's out in front and the foot and the leg that's across, this is the side we're going to lean into. We're going to do 3 reps, another 3 reps where we're going to do a side bend for 3. We're going to do a side bend with a leg lift for 3. And then we're going to do a side bend and stretch the arm and leg away for 6. Are you ready? So bring your hand down, come up over, reach right across so you feel that nice length in your waist. Bring the elbow into the hip and sit tall. 2 more. Last one. Now we're going into the change. Stretch over. As we come up, we lift the leg. So we're getting more waist work. Bring the leg down, stretch the arm over your head. Let's do 2 more. Last one. Good job. Now another change. Come up, stretch the arm, stretch the leg away, bend the knee, bend the elbow, reach overhead with your arm. Let's do 5. 4. 3. 2 more. And last one. Let's do a hold. Perfect ballerinas. Bring your legs out in front. Let's repeat that on the other side. I was feeling my waist and my hip then. What were you feeling? You'll have to let me know in the comments. Are we ready? So coming over, so nice. You want to really feel that sideways stretch. Reach the arm over, come up to upright, sitting nice and tall. 2 more. Last one. The change is we're just going to lift a bent knee for 3. As we come up, place the leg down, reach over with your arm. 2. This is not my best side. And last one. We're going to lengthen the leg and the arm with the next 6. Reach over, lift your bent knee, stretch the arm, stretch the leg away, bend the knee, bring the arm back overhead. Let's do 5. Oops, forgot to lift the leg. 4. That's it, Sharon, lifting the leg. 3. 2 more. And last one, let's do a little hold here. Oh, well done. All right, let the legs go. Okay, let's just have a play with this next exercise. I'm actually going to go side on. A little variation. I'm just going to face this way so you can see what I'm doing. Same thing with the legs. So we're going to start with squeezing the shoulder blade back, punch your arm forward, pull back so you feel the chest and shoulders open up. 2 more. And last one. Now the next set we're going to add the leg lift when we bring the arm back. So we're going to push forward, lift the leg as we come back. Push forward, lift the leg. Last one. Now the next set is we're going to stretch the leg back behind us. So we're going to leave the leg up, push forward, stretch the leg back. Let's do 6. 4 more. Really try and lengthen your leg. 3, 2, 1. How are you feeling? I'm just hoping I can repeat that properly on the other side. Let's go to the other side. We'll start. Remember, I'm just on an angle so that you can see my perfect form, hopefully. So start with draw the elbow back, squeeze the shoulder blade, push the arm forward. 2 more. Last one. And push the arm forward. As we come back, we're lifting the leg. Push forward. Lift the leg. Push forward. Lift the leg. Now this time as we push forward, we're stretching the leg back. 5 more. Work on stretching that leg, straightening it. 3 more. Are you having fun? 2. Last one. Okay, good work. Let's just let the hips go. The next exercise, we're working through our posture muscles. We're going to bring our legs out in front of us. What's really important here is that you can keep your back straight. And we're using our back in 2 positions, upright, or we're going to lean forward. Now, if you can keep your legs heavy on the floor and maintain that posture with your back, please do. Otherwise, keep your knees bent. I might keep mine bent because I'm demonstrating. So what we're going to do first is from our hips, lean forward, little fingers are on the floor. Draw the shoulders away from your ears, lift your arms up. Now use your upper back muscles and lift them a little bit higher. Bring them down, bring your fingers back down to the floor. Let's go for 4 more. Lift up and down. 4 more. Lift a little bit higher. 3 more. Are you feeling your upper back muscles? 2 more. Last one. Sit up for a second. We're going to do a couple more. Well, no, 1 more set, but we're going to pulse. So we're just working to the upper back a little bit more. Come forward with a straight back. Lift the arms up. Squeeze your upper back muscles and lift the arms higher. Squeeze and lift. 3, 2, try and keep your arms straight. 1, bring your fingers down. Okay, little change. I hope I get this right. Okay, so we're going to lean forward. We're going to lift the arms up. Then lift them up a little bit higher. I want you to sit upright. I want you to bring your arms out in front. Now I want you to squeeze your shoulder blades together and bring your arms back. Open your shoulder blades. Bring your fingers to the floor. Then from your hips, your chest goes towards the floor. So let's try that again. Lift the arms up. Lift them up a little bit higher. Sit tall. Bring your arms chest level. Squeeze your shoulder blades to bring your arms back. Bring your hands back together. Bring your fingers to the floor, little fingers. Lean forward. Lift the arms up. Tailbone is pressing back behind you. Lift your arms a little bit higher. Sit tall. Bring your arms to chest level. Open up your arms. Bring them back. Bring them down. Let's slide our fingers on the floor. Lean forward. Let's do 2 more sets. Lift up higher. Sit tall. Bring your arms back to chest level. Open up. Bring them back. In. Down. Coming forward for the last time. Draw the shoulders away from your ears. Reach your hands away. Push your hips back behind you. Lift the arms up higher. Sit tall. Bring your hands out down towards your chest. Open up. Bring your hands back in and bring them down. Wow. I really like that. How did you find that? I found that really helped work my upper back, and I'm hoping that my posture was good. Are you ready just to finish with some deep breaths? Well, before I say that, please let me know if you liked it. Breathing in, bring your arms forward, breathing out, chest opens, shoulder, front of the shoulders open. 2 more. And last one. Well done, guys. Good work. I hope you enjoyed the workout. It was a bit tougher than normal, I thought, but let me know. And I'll see you again soon. See ya. Bye.